To add a category, select the Category menu to display the Category Management interface, and then click the Add Category button. Type the name of your category. Since this is our first category, we will not be adding a parent. If you have nested categories, you most likely will want to select the parent or owner for any subcategories. Otherwise, click Save Changes. Now you have just created your first category. To add a category image, click on the plus next to the Add Category Image and drag and drop the image file. Once you've dragged and dropped an asset, you can add information such as a description, tags, and keywords. These have value in the case where you are searching for an asset, would like to group assets, or would like to use these values for the HTML alt text or image tags on a connected site or channel. Now the image has been successfully added to the category. You can actually view assets. In the category, you can see the Assets tab and see that the asset or file has been uploaded.